Okay, very cool. So hopefully he's informed you on how this kind of works, and we're just kind of going to go through the project and try to see if it works.
Okay.
Okay, and then it should be fun. I think it's a really cool project too. So I'm gonna just ask you to do a couple things, and then you try to complete them. Okay.
Okay.
But keep in mind, we're not testing you. We're just testing the project.
Okay.
Okay. So you can't get anything wrong. You just do whatever you think you would do. Okay.
Okay.
And he's going to help you press the buttons. If you have any questions, you can ask me. But try to do it by yourself if you can.
Okay.
Okay. Sounds good. So first, we're going to open up the application.
Yes.
Cool. So what do you think about this opening screen? Do you like this? Does this interest
I
you?
do like the colors because it's colorful, and I like the I like the background, and I think the game is gonna start really cool.
What do you think this is about? What do you think this?
I think it's gonna
application is?
be about. I think it's gonna be about school subjects.
And why do you say that?
Because it has pictures of pencils, and it says classes, and it says on it it has grades on it and assignments.
Okay. So it sounds like you're excited about it. So let's go on to task 1, and that is to, let's say that you have a history class, okay?
Okay.
And you need to get ready for the historical sites of Jordan lesson. So you want to find where is Jordan located on the map, and then you want to play with it and then interact with that map.
So
how would
do
you
I
do that?
pick anything?
Yeah, how would you go about that?
I'll go to the assignment.
Okay.
How do you do it?
So you think it's assignments because
Because the question is about us. Oh my god.
yeah, it's okay. So like just envision you're in history class, or you have a history class, and you want to do the lesson called Historical Sites of Jordan. So you want to find Jordan on the map, and then play and interact with the map.
I don't know. I think it's assignment or a grade. One of those.
So let's say that it's not assignments for now.
Okay.
What else could it be?
Classes.
If that's what you think, you can try that out.
And story. Yeah, found it. So do I pick anything?
So again, you want to find the historical sites of Jordan.
In world history.
And why were you clicking world history?
Because I'm gonna search for Jordan. It doesn't work.
Okay, so also you gotta keep in mind that not everything is gonna work. Okay? So if you click something that doesn't work, that's still okay. Is there anything else you might click on this page?
Index.
If you're looking for the historical sites of Jordan.
Oh!
That's fine. So when you click
Historical sites of Jordan. I didn't find that.
Okay, when you click here, it's gonna take you to this page.
Sites of Jordan. Can you say the question again?
Yeah, you want to find the, Jordan on the map, and then you want to interact and play with the map.
And so do I just found? So wait, we're here.
That's cool.
Is that
That was the first task. So let's go to the second one.
very cool?
Let's go back.
So we are back at the home screen, and we're going to move on to task 2 now. Okay. So let's assume again that you have a history class, and you've learned about the historical sites of Jordan in class. Um,
A grade. We're gonna see what grade we got.
so you want to see the historical sites in class. Right?
Let's assume that you have a historical class. You have about the history
Is
of
it
Christ,
as-
so you have to learn.
Oh, so you want to learn about the historical sites of Jordan in your history class.
I should click classes again.
That's what you believe?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're gonna Can you say the question again?
So let's say that you have a history class and you want to learn about the historical sites of Jordan in the history class.
History class. We should click history again. And can you say the question again?
It's the historical sites of Jordan again.
Okay, once when you click here, it's gonna take you here.
So
And
we
then-
we want to learn about the historical sites.
Sites. Here. Are we looking for the Fine. So wait, does he have the name in it? Somewhere in here?
For what?
I'm looking for his name.
Whose name?
Of the places?
Yeah. I clicked on site.
Can't you find it?
No, I can't.
Try.
Did I pass it? Are we looking for Jordan?
Yeah, so these are all different sites in Jordan, and you want to find like the names of these sites and learn about them.
Oh. So Jordan is
Like these are just different places inside Jordan.
I thought Jordan was a boy.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
So Jordan
Jordan is a country.
Oh, I thought it was a boy.
Oh, okay.
His is a boy in the class called Jordan.
Oh, okay, that's why.
So Jordan is the purpose is a capital city.
So the place is Jordan, the country Jordan has a bunch of places inside Jordan.
Yeah.
So can you learn about those places?
The site name is Peter. That's the 6th century BC. And this Jers, the year 200 BC by Alexander the Great. It's a trading city. The site Emera Castle, built by Imade. I don't know how to say her
Don't
last
worry
name.
about the spelling.
Imade Valid, years 711 and 715 AD. Purpose resort for hunting trips. Site name Ijwana Castle, built by Muslims year 1184 and through 1185 AD. Purpose military control. Military. Roman theater, built by Romans year 169 through 177 AD. Purpose was stealing sport.
Okay, so do you feel that you've learned about the different places?
Yeah.
Very cool. So I saw that you were swiping through the application, right?
Like,
Like you were swiping with your hand, right?
yeah.
Is there any other ways you might be able to find the different sites?
No, I don't
Like
know.
go through them, like learn about them.
No.
You were sliding.
But it was, you can only slide them.
So let's just pretend that you can't slide now. How else would you find the other sites? So right now you're on the one place, right?
Yeah.
How else would you find the other places?
If I were in the laptop, I used the mouse
And
to
let's-
go through it, and I didn't know how to use it if we didn't. I don't know how to use it on this one.
Okay, let's say that your hand was a mouse. What would you do?
Yes.
If my hand was a mouse, like I should like move the mouse, like click on it and move. the
Well, let's
mouse.
pretend that your hand is the mouse and use your hand like the mouse.
We're gonna click the screen thing and go around. Yeah.
Okay, and now let's try it without swiping. How would you do it?
Why?
Like you want to try to go to the other places.
If there was something you should, I don't know how.
Okay, so
Try. It's your.
are you aware that this place is also the information here? Did you know that?
This place
Mhm.
over here.
Did you know that those were connected?
Yeah,
They were the same thing?
because the picture.
Okay. So if you wanted to get to the other places, how would you do that? Without touching, without swiping here.
Yeah.
Maybe you move the controller
Like what?
like this.
Did that work?
Yeah, it did. It did work.
Yeah, it did work. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Very cool. So we're going to try one more time.
Okay.
Let's say that you can't turn it and you can't swipe it.
Okay.
Is there any other way you could find the other places?
So do I do it again?
You can't, no swiping and no
Tilting.
tilting. How else
Oh.
would you maybe be able to find the other spots?
One more chance.
I don't know.
Try.
Is this an iPad?
Pretend it's an iPad. It doesn't matter.
I didn't.
It's the same. So
I'm trying to think in your mind if your hand was a mouse. What would you
yeah.
do?
I
It's
should
the
move the
easiest-
mouse.
It's the
I sh-
easiest thing. You didn't think about it.
Can't help.
Yeah, I can't.
I
so I'm
should-
gonna give her a hand.
If I was a mouse, I should move the mouse to the green and click on it.
The green?
Yeah, like this.
Oh, okay.
But no, slide it. I mean, like yeah.
Okay, let's say that this wasn't even here.
I don't know.
Is there anywhere else?
He told me don't help her.
So, how about you swipe one, right? And then what happened? You swiped and what happened?
It gave me it gave me to another site name.
Hmm.
And if you want to put in another one,
Did anything on the map change?
yeah.
What happened?
The other site used to be over here,
Where?
and then it came over here. It used to be over here, and then oh, you do this. Oh,
Okay, but first you swiped,
And-
then you tilt,
yeah.
and then you tapped.
Mhm.
So is that so? Swiping is what you would typically do.
Yes, five.
Swiping. Okay. Very cool. So we can move on to the third task.
What is it?
This is
Just
the
can I ask you like a couple of questions? If you're gonna like learn more about these sites, like pretend like you learn about Petra, you learn like what year it was built, who built it, why it's built. If you're gonna learn more about this site in this page, can you find something to learn more about the sites?
Yeah.
How?
Go to Google.
No, I mean this app.
Um,
Like, do you think anywhere you can click to get more information?
this.
Or do you have any other?
Oh, you can click this. Did I do it right?
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect. So we're done with the second task. Let's go to the third task.
We get to play it
Yes.
when?
Okay, so I'm going to give you the task. So let's assume that you have a history class and you've learned about the historical sites, which you just did, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now we want to test your knowledge. So we want to test like the where, the who, and the why.
Great.
Okay. Sounds good.
How do you click the grade?
Well, let's say that we haven't even gotten a grade yet.
Okay.
So we want to get a grade. So we want to test your knowledge. How would you do that?
Assignment. Or no, that's. Wait, what is this?
Schedule?
Oh. Wait, do they know what we're doing?
Well, again, we have to find a history class with the historical sites of Jordan first.
Are we restarting all over?
Yeah, we always keep restarting. Yeah.
Okay. Classic and then history. Historical sites of Jordan.
It will take you here.
Hey, when you do the game, do the people have to like
No,
go to the
I'm
different
just
sites?
I'm still building it. So
Oh,
it's done. It's not done yet. So
we go to the map, and it says Jordan's over here.
Okay, so let's say we found Jordan, and we go back to the last page.
let me just get you to the back. So,
So we're on this page, and we're on sites of Jordan. How would you know that you were on sites of Jordan?
You go to sites, and
And
then
if okay, so let's just go back one more.
oh, I have to do this.
you can also click that one too.
Oh, yeah.
So without touching anything, right?
Mhm.
Do you know that this is the sites of Jordan?
Yeah, because it says it up there.
Okay, so that was pretty clear.
Mhm.
Okay, so now that we're on this screen, we know that we are in the sites of Jordan. We've learned about it, and now we want to test the knowledge, see what you've learned.
Okay.
So how would you do that?
We're gonna like
And it could be fun. It's a fun thing, you know.
play.
Oh, sure. Cool.
Where, who, why. You forgot two other.
Yeah.
Where? Oh. What if I got one wrong? Does it matter?
I don't know. We'll
Uh-oh.
see. So what are you doing now? Are you trying to...
Play.
Okay.
Peter. Peter goes over here. Yay.
Should I make the sound just? Yes.
Over there. Wait, which one is the Muslim one?
You have to remember.
This goes over here. What? I forgot. It goes over here, this. It goes over there. And then this goes over here. Two stars. Level 2. Wait, I forgot. I didn't really read it.
So
that way.
if you wanted to find the information again, where would you look?
You go back.
That doesn't work
Okay.
yet,
So
let's.
before doing it, before actually clicking anything, where would you think? Don't actually hit anything, but where would you like to see the information?
I'll go to the site when you have to click the side of Jordan's, and then I forgot what it said.
Yeah, but let's say that the information could be on this page somewhere, right? Where would you think it would be?
Over here.
Yeah.
And it says site named Peter, but it's hard to learn it. I did that in 2nd grade, so I forgot. I did a project on it.
Okay, so just for now, we can go back to the game and then just, just kind of guess, sort of thing.
No, this doesn't work.
Oh,
Yeah.
So you can go to the who.
Hugh.
Yep.
Oh, so we have to finish this. Sorry.
So we could just quickly do this one.
Yeah.
Ramon.
I just wanna make it
Oh,
really
it
quick.
goes-
So let me do it really quick because you done it.
You know
already.
how?
Yes. See.
Okay, so we're on level 2. So now you can kind of just go through them and kind of guess. Do you think this is a good way to learn?
Yeah,
Why is that?
because it has a lot of informations, and it helps in the games, and like the games are like the test. I don't know how to say it.
Cool. So do you want to keep playing?
I don't know. I want to finish the game. Wait, where does the rain go? Huh. How is it 2-star and the last one is all 0?
Well, that's
It got
okay. But
stuck.
how did you feel about that? Did you enjoy the game?
Yeah.
Cool. So do you have any questions that you want me to ask?
Maybe for the here. Yeah, I asked her already. So, do you realize these like 5 sides? Do you realize these means
Yeah.
5 sides? So I'm in the middle one, the 3rd one.
Yeah.
Now I'm in the 4th.
I knew
one.
that when
Yeah.
I know. Yeah.
Have you also noticed, like, I'm gonna replay it again, so I want you to notice something and ask me something you didn't notice before.
Like, I don't know.
Yeah, just wait a second. Are you seeing something new here?
Yeah,
What
it
is
shows
that?
you how to do it and how to tap it. Oh, I shouldn't look at that. Wait, if you had an iPad, you can do that.
Exactly.
How do you put
So
the
you
thing?
missed this part first. If
Yeah.
you just wait a second, you're gonna see how you play it by yourself.
But
You were so excited, so that is why you skipped this part and you were trying to figure out how to go through these things, which is good.
Cool. So that would be the
Good
end of
job.
the
Good
test.
job.
Mhm.
Good job.
Congrats.
So do I bring my sister?
Yeah.
Yep. So you're just gonna end that
You might
recording
not
there.
understand me.
You wanna stay? Can she stay? Here?
Yeah, if she wants
Yeah,
to stay,
you
she
want
can.
to stay here?
But